along with actress Vidya Balan came together to support the eradication of child sexual abuse (CSA) as Rahul launched HEAL NGO against child sexual abuse. The initiative will be followed by an online campaign which will be supported by many celebrities of Bollywood including Karan Johar, Kalki Koechlin, Shabana Azmi among others. While Rahul Bose explained the cause for such an initiative which is a worldwide problem and not just in India.
असलियत में हम चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज की जो जंग है हम 10 साल से लड़ रहे हैं. मेरा पहला फाउंडेशन द फाउंडेशन के छप्पर के नीचे वहाँ पे एक इनिशिएटिव है बच्चों को तालीम देना जो बहुत अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड एरियाज से आते हैं. काफ़ी बैकवर्ड एरियाज़ है अंडमान निकोबार द्वीप में, काफ़ी बैकवर्ड एरियाज़ है कश्मीर में, काफ़ी बैकवर्ड एरियाज़ है सभी जगह पे, लेकिन हम कश्मीर, मणिपुर और अंडमान निकोबार द्वीप में कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. उन बच्चों को तालीम देते हैं 16 साल के लिए, 10 साल की उम्र से 26 साल तक, बच्चे टिल दे फुली क्वालिफाइड. ये तो एक हिस्सा है फाउंडेशन का. दूसरा हिस्सा हुआ करता था जो आप आज बैठे हुए हैं चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ के मुद्दे पे. उस पे हमने वर्कशॉप्स 300 से ज़्यादा 600 वर्कशॉप्स किए हैं इस देश में एडल्ट्स के साथ, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, कॉलोनीज, हाउसिंग सोसाइटीज़, क्लब्स, एडल्ट्स को बोलने के लिए, सिखाने के लिए कि ये चाइल्ड सेक्सुअल अब्यूज़ है और ये चिन्ह है, ये साइंस है कि बच्चे के साथ कुछ बुरा व्यवहार हो रहा है. और अगर हो रहा है तो आप पहले ये मत कहिएगा, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं इस कमरे में बहुत से हैं जिनको ये सुनना पड़ा, कोई बात नहीं ऐसा होता है, डैडी को मत बताना. ये मैं जानता हूं. तो ये रिस्पॉन्स आपका नहीं होना चाहिए. आपका रिस्पॉन्स होना चाहिए बात करो, बताओ, और हम दोनों इसको साथ में सुधारेंगे.
Vidya Balan also expressed herself for joining this cause.
Rahul, more power to you, to the foundation and to HEAL, because मैं राहुल को 8-9 शायद 10 साल से जानती हूँ, और तब से मैं इनसे सुनती आ रही हूँ कि किस तरह का काम ये कर रहे हैं through the foundation and HEAL. And you know, I think child sexual abuse is something that we don't want to even hear of, forget, know of. So when I did Kahani 2, you know, I got a lot of reading material. कुछ पढ़ के रात भर नींद नहीं आती थी मुझे, because it was so disturbing. You know, because what is most disturbing about child sexual abuse for me is the fact that it happens within the family most often, which, you know, you feel that family के अंदर
family is a safe place,
safest place for a child. And then when it happens, it's the perpetrator is, you know, your grand uncle or your grandfather or your uncle or anyone. I read a case about a grandmother sexually abusing her grandson. So, you know, it's horrific. So the more and more I read, the more and more I felt like, oh my God, this is not something that happens to, you know. और maybe I still felt कि अच्छा दूसरों के साथ होता होगा, कहीं दूर कहीं ये होता होगा. फिर फिल्म रिलीज हुई. जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई तो इतने सारे लोग, people I've known for a really long time, I had so many instances of people coming up to me and saying, you know, I really liked Kahani 2 because it spoke to me. I felt like Minnie. And it was shocking because on the face of it, this person is leading an absolutely trauma-free life. But, you know, they obviously started opening up to me about what had happened with them and the way it has impacted their life, their relationships, their confidence. Just the way they wanted to disappear sometimes, to be invisible to the world. And I was shocked because I used to feel like it happened somewhere, you know, कहीं दूर, हमसे तो बहुत दूर. हमारी दुनिया में तो ये सब नहीं होता. हमारे बच्चों के साथ ये सब नहीं होता. But the more and more people came up to me, you know, even on social media and personally, people wrote emails. I was beyond shocked. And I realized that if I ever got an opportunity, therefore, the film itself was a great opportunity to address this because, you know, film gets seen by so many people. But if I got an opportunity to do something about this, I would. You know, if my presence at this place is going to even make one person you know.
No, you have also donated to us. We know that. I haven't told anybody, but Vidya has also donated to us.
Yeah, but you know, that's the least one can do, I feel. So I'm happy to be here, to be doing my little bit to throw light on this cause, so that some child feels safer. I would want every child in the world to feel safer, and at least one adult who's gone through this to feel like it was not their fault. I think that for me is the most important thing when you talk about child sexual abuse.
The HEAL Foundation so far has trained many individuals in schools and supported around 60 survivors of child sexual abuse. In the near future, the NGO wants to expand their work and reach out to more schools, children and victims to help train and create awareness.